is going to win him. Win his entire destiny is going to be rewritten. It's going to make a big impact globally. Mark my words, this song has touched me and it's going to go a big global hit. God bless you. God bless you. Tremendous bass line, tremendous arrangement and programming. Brother? Bhai, son, Beta, my son is as old as you, I'm sure. You're going to rock it, and this is it for you, okay? Are you ready to become the global star?
Ready?
Yeah? Okay.
Everybody on this, so the choreographers are missing because they are not available. They are shooting out of country. But everybody on this project really supported us because it was a self-invested project. But then Abhay came on board and he said, "Don't worry, I really believe in you. You make this happen." And everybody on this project put their heart out. This is just pure heart. There's nothing else in this.
So now it's available on all platforms, ingested already?
Yes.
All across?
Yeah, it's going live now. As we speak, 4 o'clock is the time when it goes live. So yes, it's live now.
And it is you, Prashant.
And I'm really proud of Aura. As he said, he really worked hard on this for 1 year. Just learning Sanskrit wasn't easy. Not just he learned Sanskrit, he learned Tandav dance steps from mudras to everything. We really put all our heart out in this, and we really are very thankful that all of you are here to support us today. And I hope you will enjoy this song and listen to it more and more and make it part of your playlist so that it really reaches out.
Who's releasing it globally?
Bhajan clubbing is, they're merging the spiritual Indian spiritual songs with the beats, and you have released this at the right time. Yeah, so very big hand for him. Wishing you all the best. It's really good.
So thank you to the entire.
जितनी बार मैंने इसको हाथ कर लिया कुछ इतने बार क्यों हाथ कर रहे? The world to know. In the world of music now, all artists, everybody, I hope this message reaches out to all the youngsters and all the people who are making music, कि अब एक ऐसा दौर आ गया है जिसमें हर आर्टिस्ट को अपना एक खुद का यूनिवर्स क्रिएट करना होगा. उसको खुद अपने आप पर मेहनत करनी होगी, खुद अपना ब्रांड बनाना होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई भी आपको सपोर्ट करने नहीं आएगा. It's going to be very rare. So you have to create your own journey, your own universe, and people, audience makes you or breaks you. The love of people is what will make you a superstar, and I'm sure that Aura will create magic, and so will all the youngsters who are ready to embark on the journey of music. Please create your own universe and succeed. Thank you.
Because that is something my mother has taught both the sisters, me and my sister Mitali. So when I went to Bigg Boss house, I was not prepared. I just, it was a very impromptu decision by my family, not even by me, to just go to a platform like Bigg Boss. And I used to shiver, at times when people are fighting, because I am somebody in life who's very straightforward and I am not at all into manipulations or shouting. So my mom said ki kuch bhi ho, so just say Jai Guruji or just say Om Namah Shivaya. And I was so happy. I really feel it was a blessing from God, because I think after staying for about 1 month, I was really feeling ki, oh my God, ye ghar pe sab ya to mental hai, ya fir they don't know how to, have a conversation, how to have a normal conversation. And there enters Aura. And I can't even tell you, जब वो आया घर के अंदर, मैं उसको देख के इतनी खुश थी, because I think घर पे उसको कोई जानता नहीं था इतना, but मुझे आता, because उस point of time पे I was working with Saregama very closely, and मैंने ये रचना को भी बात नहीं पता, but उस time पे मैंने उसका गाना जिमी जिमी सुना था. I was like, oh, it's that Jimmy Jimmy boy. And then all of a sudden there was this Bigg Boss is like, Manara जानती है इसको. So I introduced him, and उसके बाद हम 4-4 घंटे वहाँ पे बातें करते थे, और लोग मुझे ताना मारते थे कि तू इससे बात क्या करती है. And I was like, मैं जो भी बात करती हूँ मुझे बहुत मजा आता है उससे बात करके. And the clip which you just saw, मुझे भी नहीं पता था, मुझे यही आज रचना ने बताया. तो हम वहां पे बाहर बैठे थे और मैंने पूरे बालों में तेल वेल लगाया था एंड यू नो Aura enters and we just like made like a little group and we were like let's do Aura Om chanting to थोड़ा सा मुझे याद है एंड वो तो ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल है यू नो तो वो तो क्या था ओह या लेट्स डू इट एंड यू नो दैट्स हाउ आवर फ्रेंडशिप वाज लाइक ग्रोइंग एंड ही इज वन ऑफ द फ्यू पीपल जिसको मैं घर के बाहर आके भी यू नो वी आर ऑलवेज इन टच लाइक रचना एंड Aura दे आर लाइक फैमिली लाइक वो मेरी मम्मा को मम्मा बोलता है ही इज लाइक कि मेरे को तेरे घर आना है व्हाटएवर इट इज वी आर देयर फॉर ईच अदर एंड आई थिंक आई लाइक गिफ्ट्स ओके गिफ्ट्स दे दो थैंक यू Aura थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी हियर थैंक यू रचना
मैं Aura को काफी टाइम से जानता हूँ। सबसे पहले हमने हमारी ब्रांड के कोरियन प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किए थे, तब उसने बहुत सारा हेल्प किया था और हमने एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी किया था। लेकिन लास्ट एक वीक हुआ रहेगा, हमने एक समूह लगन किया था। वहाँ पे 45 गर्ल्स की शादी हुई थी। ये वहाँ पे आया था और वहाँ पे जो इसने गाना गाया था, तो हमारे समाज में गुजराती लोग हैं, हम लोग वेडिंग बोले तो एकदम धमाल होती है, आपको पता रहेगा। लेकिन इसके आने से उधर शिव तांडव इसने गाया, तो कोई मान ही नहीं सकता है। सब इसको सॉन्ग बोल रहे, गाना बोल रहा है। मेरे हिसाब से सॉन्ग गाना नहीं है, तो शिव की स्तुति है, भजन है। ये शिव को जैसे अपन आराधना करते हैं, स्तुति है भाई, कोई गाना नहीं है। तो शिव की इतनी कृपा इसके ऊपर होने वाली है कि इसका गाना तो बहुत चलने वाला है। तो मैं मैडम को बोलता हूँ ये सॉन्ग के लिए कुछ भी आपको इसके लिए सपोर्ट कुछ भी चाहिए हमारे जैसा, तो हम कभी की आपके लिए तैयार है। थैंक यू सो मच।
दीदी को बोलना चाहती हूँ, इस समाज में हम लोग को नहीं बुलाता है। इतना बड़े बड़े लोग बैठे हैं इधर, दीदी नहीं बुलाता है सच्ची में। तो आपने मुझे इज्जत दिया, मुझे नहीं किन्नर समाज को। इनको तो सबसे ज्यादा थैंक देना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि भगवान को याद, शिव जी को याद करा दिया। मेरे साथ 3 बार, हाँ, पहले मैं, उसके बाद आप, उसके बाद सब। हर हर महादेव, हर हर महादेव। ईश्वर है सबकी तरफ से, आपको, आपका पूरा टीम को, आप जितना भी है हिंदुस्तान, सबको ढेर सारे आशीर्वाद और प्यार। थैंक यू।
The video is really amazing and dance and everything is sung really well. Congratulations. And this is gonna be a hit, I'm telling you, huh? People will love this song because personally, I personally listen Shiv Stotram and I'm trying to learn it as well, but it's really difficult and you have done an amazing job. Trust me. So we are very proud of you and we loved it.
तो सर को पता है स्टूडियो में कितना मजा आता है, बट हर इंडियन प्रनाउंस करता है आ उ ई ए सब प्रनाउंस। जटाटवी जल प्रवाह पाविरस्थले। अभी मजा का आ रहा था कि जो मैं गा रहा था, जो मैं कर रहा था, प्रॉपरली इमिटेट विद इन 5 सेकंड ही कर रहा था। सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं हुआ, जब तक मजा। तो जटाटवी जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले, 1 सेकंड, जटाटवी जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले, रिप्लिकेट। सो बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा हुआ। सेशन में बहुत एंजॉय किया आपने, बस बाकी रिजल्ट आपने सुना है, आपने देखा है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
One more important point. Parul, how did you like the video?
I think I've loved this song. I won't say a song, I'm sorry, we are so Bollywood driven that we call everything a song. But of course it's beautiful, Aura, your efforts Rachna's efforts, everybody's efforts are visible on the screen. And I was just telling Rohit sometime back outside that I'm introducing Rachna as Aura's mother. So when you speak to Rachna, it's only she talks about Aura, and her efforts aren't apparent here today. Rachna, hats off to you. And Aura, your hard work is worth a salute. So keep going and keep giving us such beautiful more stutis. Thank you.
I think the day starts with Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai, Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. So that's my the mantra that I get up with, and every part of I think the life that we follow, Shiv Stotram is really guiding us through. Especially it talks about how you surrender completely yourself, and that's something that we very clearly see in how you have come about, not only performing it but overall rendition as well. For myself, I feel during my acting schedule, sometimes when I get stuck in a scene, I find difficulty. Shiv Stotram helps me out. I'm in the gym, I'm getting stuck, Shiv Stotram helps me out. In life, I think this is something which is a very strong guiding power for me, and seeing that a very different edition, because when Parul mentioned I obviously had a break in my shoot schedule, and I was like, this is something I'm not going to miss. And I was very excited to see how Aura brings this about, and I think this is more than awesome. So I really love the rendition. One point I want to mention very specifically is I appreciate the focus on detail.
So excited now कि क्या है, please दोबारा से हमारे लिए.
Everybody is really
And I
like to
think
play the teaser one more time.
yes, and I think everybody would like to actually watch it one more time, like maybe 2 more times, 3 more times, yeah.
I want to call because they've been very supportive. We have
Firstly, hello, my name is Savita. I don't have to get children. And honestly, when I was talking about the songs, I'm very and I'm very happy to know this amalgamation of Korea and the Indian culture that we have here in India, where Korea के artists ने पहली बार यहाँ पे आके हमारे culture में immerse किया. So I'm very happy collaboration जो हुआ, and I'm very happy with the fact that my friend Abhay is a part of this beautiful song, and he made me come here and watch the teaser. And honestly, I just can't wait to see the whole song, because it just gave me goosebumps while watching it. Because when I saw and the whole thing, the way it has been shot, everything just made me feel so excited about it. So I just can't wait to see the entire song, and much love to Aura and the entire team of this song. Thank you so much. मैं शुरुआत करूंगी सबके साथ, हम सब एक साथ बोलेंगे हर हर महादेव. तो इट वॉज अमेजिंग. मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा कि एक कोरियन, हमारी दुनिया, हमारी पूरी जेंजी कोरियन पॉप के पॉप के पीछे पागल हो रही है, और हमारे पास साक्षात एक कोरियन है जो हमारे शिव जी के लिए शिव भक्त निकले, हमारे शिव जी के लिए इतना प्यारा, इतना अमेजिंग, मतलब ब्रेथ टेकिंग सॉन्ग जो है बना दिया है. और तांडव खुद डांस कर रहे हैं, खुद तांडव कर रहे हैं. ऐसा लगता है कि ये गलती से कोरिया में पैदा हो गया, ये पीछे से आत्मा कोई हमारे बनारस की या ऋषिकेश की कहीं की आत्मा है. सो इट वाज टू गुड मैन, टू गुड लवली. तो प्लीज देखिए, प्लीज डू वॉच इट. सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा. मैं तो बहुत बड़ी शिव भक्त हूँ, तो मुझे तो यकीन बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगा है. तो आप लोगों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगा. एंड ऑल्सो आई वांट टू टॉक टू द प्रोड्यूसर. So he's Abhay Purpani, and he's the owner of a lounge in Malad called Glass House. And sometimes हम वहाँ जाते हैं, वहाँ चिल करते हैं, और अचानक से I want to ask him now, मतलब ये कहाँ से थॉट आया अचानक से, from being a lounge owner to producer, song producer, वो भी सीधा महादेव.
We are very much inspired, very much Indians.
when I got the concept song from Rachna, for a singer for a sing a song on Shiva in Hindi and Sanskrit, so Sanskrit and English. And this is what inspired me. Thank you all for the wonderful song. Thank you very much.
Your daily life, and you don't sort of stop to think, okay, what is my ultimate purpose, or what is beyond any of the things that sort of make us human on a daily basis. And the song is sort of about that. It's about taking a moment to yourself, sitting down and exploring sort of your inner mind and what sort of brings spirituality into your life. And in this particular song, Shiva guides Aura through a meditative trance where he basically lives 100 different lifetimes, and he gets an understanding of the world from a God's point of view. So he's able to finally see beyond the human emotions that bind us to this world and the material nature of this world, and sort of embrace that and attain an ultimate sense of nirvana. And yeah, I mean, that's what the song is about.
And what was the reason for you to take up, producing on a song? What is the USP you thought this song has?
Well, like I said, it's very interesting because we tend to see the world from a very one-dimensional point of view, and we sort of forget to see that there's more to this world and there's more to life than just being human. So the fact that we could explore him living 100 different lifetimes, battling all the different emotions of grief, anger, confusion, was sort of the USP for us on how we could sort of depict that visually without actually showing a clear passage of time. And yeah, that's the USP for us.
Would you like to add something?
I think what everyone will see eventually is the effort and the amount of intensity Aura will bring into this song. He's put in so much time, so much effort, all to make this song as viable for everyone to see, and not to disrespect anyone's interest in this. He has, in our opinion, and soon and hopefully in your opinion also, lived up to everyone's expectations. And what you will see is a dance performance, what you will see is emotions, what you will see is faith come to life with this song and through Aura. That's what.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you.
Concept where we are blending like the Korean culture and the Indian culture as well. So coming from where we belong, we mainly promote like Korean culture across India, doing like events and basically like promoting Korean culture as well. And since the past few years, we have also been connected with Aura's work, how he is blending both the elements. So overall, yeah, we are very excited about the whole concept about Tandav, and we are excited to even see and vibe with the songs. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, really excited to see it. It is something very new and unique, and I can't wait because what I've heard about his performance, that it's quite good. So I'm looking forward to it.
Exactly. Yes, his series is coming, which is Talash.
Talash on Netflix, coming soon, in a few months. So I'm eagerly waiting for that.
Even we are eagerly waiting for that. And thoda sa about this song is that आजकल everyone is going crazy about this whole K-pop culture आ गया है इंडिया में, और इतने सारे लोग पागल है, इतने सारे फैंस हैं. अभी आपने देखे इतने सारे ग्रुप्स आए हैं यहाँ पर. But it is so nice to see Aura, represent our culture there and put it on an international platform and promote Shiva in Korea. So ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing point था, and I loved it. और teaser तो आप देख लेंगे, and गाना is also fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We just do a picture.
Yeah.
We need a picture together actually. Parul, photo.
नेटफ्लिक्स पे आ रही है और अंसाम्बल कास्ट है जिसमें परिणीति चोपड़ा है, जेनिफर विंगेट है, सोनी राजदान, अनूप सोनी, सुमित व्यास, हरलीन सेठी। तो काफ़ी अच्छी कास्ट है, स्टोरी भी बहुत अच्छी है और एक बहुत टाइम बाद एक थ्रिलर आ रही है नेटफ्लिक्स पे। सो इट शुड बी गुड। आई थिंक इट बी अ गुड वॉच फॉर एवरीबडी।
First you were working with Shilpa Shetty, now Parineeti Chopra. What is the difference? How does it feel?
वेल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे ऐसे मौके मिले हैं कि मैंने अपनी प्रीवियस फिल्म नेटफ्लिक्स पे शिल्पा शेट्टी के साथ की है और इस बार परिणीति चोपड़ा के साथ कर रहा हूँ। तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ और कास्ट भी बहुत अमेजिंग है और सबके साथ काम करके इनफैक्ट बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड इट वाज अ नाइस स्टोरी एंड रेंसिल डिसिल्वा सर इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट डायरेक्टर, बीन वांटिंग टू वर्क विद हिम और फाइनली एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली मुझे। थैंक यू।
Okay, from here. Ready.
What inspired you to produce Aura's song?
See, hi. Thank you. First of all, see, Lord Shiva is not limited to any culture or any country. So nowadays we Indians are very inspired with Korean music, Korean dance, Korean cinema. So when I heard this concept of the song from Parul, that Aura, Korean singer, is going to sing a song on Lord Shiva in Hindi, sorry, in Sanskrit and in English, that was a wow moment for me. That thing inspired me to be a part of this song as a producer.
आपने जब गाना सुना, what was your reaction?
I तो loved it. मुझे तो अच्छा लगा बहुत गाना. I'm just waiting कि कभी इसका exact वीडियो आ जाए. I'm just waiting for this. Thank you.
Just do pictures.
वैसे तो मैं ओरा को बहुत टाइम से जान रहा हूँ। हमारा एक के डरमा करके प्रोडक्ट आया, उसमें ओरा ने हमारी बहुत हेल्प की है। और ओरा दिखता है कोरियन लेकिन उसका दिल एकदम हिंदुस्तानी जैसा है और उसका म्यूज़िक में आप देखते रहेंगे कि हिंदुस्तान का कल्चर के बारे में ही रहता है, वो कल्चर को फील करता है। तो मैं ओरा को शिवा शिवम जो सॉन्ग उसने अभी आज वीडियो जो इनका हो रहा है उसके लिए मैं बहुत सारी शुभकामना देता हूँ। और वो हमारे फंक्शन में आया था, उसने वो टाइम पे शिव तांडव गाया था, तो वहाँ पे 30,000 के प्लस हमारा कम्युनिटी की पब्लिक थी, उन्होंने बहुत सारा एंजॉय किया और उसका हिंदुस्तान कल्चर के हिसाब से वो गाना, तो मैं बहुत सारी शुभकामना देता हूँ। थैंक यू।
I just would like to wish them all the best for this venture, and yeah, looking forward to hearing it. Yes. Yeah. All I can do is wish them all the best. Yes. It's always nice to keep doing new ventures and new releases, and yes, wishing them all the best. Thank you.
सारे बड़े शांत हो, हाँ सबकी एनर्जी।
इट्स इनक्रेडिबल एक्चुअली। एक तो खुद कोरियन लैंग्वेज इतनी ज़्यादा टफ होती है एंड एक कोरियन बंदे ने शिव तांडव को गाया है, सो इट्स रियली इनक्रेडिबल एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू हियर दिस शिव तांडव एंड ही इज़ मल्टी टैलेंटेड। आई थिंक ही इज़ वेरी नाइस। सो आई थिंक कोरिया के अंदर बहुत टैलेंट है एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि हमारे इंडिया में वो टैलेंट आया है। सो इट्स रियली गुड एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू द होल टीम, मोरा, एवरीवन। थैंक यू।
नमस्कार सभी को। हर हर महादेव, जय श्री महाकाल। आज क्या है? शिव अर्धनारीश्वर जो होता है, भगवान ने हम लोग को बनाया। यहाँ आकर बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि इतना सारा लोगों में हम लोग को भी याद किया। जो होना चाहिए था सबके ध्यान में नहीं रहता है। जो सब्जेक्ट का गाना है आज, उसमें हम लोग का ही है। तो आप सब ने याद किया, मुझे इनवाइट किया, इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। सबसे मुझे एक बार सबसे अच्छा लगा, हम लोग जो इंडिया की जो कल्चर बाहर देश का लोग अपना लिया। मैं चाहती हूँ जो हम लोग इंडियन हैं उनको भी अपनाना चाहिए। ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं भारत की सारी किन्नर माँ की तरफ से। थैंक यू सभी। हर हर महादेव।
बाद में इस तरफ किया मैम। Sir, what do you call it? Sir. Okay. Sir, no. Oh, okay. Heart. Left side. अभी इतने प्रेम से ये करते ना, सर झुकाते हैं, मुझे भी करना पड़ेगा। सर यहाँ पर इस तरफ, उस तरफ। मतलब
Yeah.
We are here for this Shiv Tandav song, which a Korean has sung, and you are the genius here. How does it feel to be, from the same fraternity to see, foreigners, different Korean like that, to come in India and promote its culture and heritage, its rituals, its spirituality, everything?
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि हमारे इंडियन ट्रेडिशन, इंडियन कल्चर्स को और हमारी इंडियन जो जिसको कहते हैं ना, जो योगिक नॉलेज है और जो हमारा इतना बड़ा इतिहास है, वो इंस्पायर कर रहा है सिंगर्स और परफॉर्मर्स को जो कोरिया से हैं। ये बहुत बड़ी एक बात है और मुझे लगता है आने वाले पलों में, आने वाले जितने भी वर्ष अभी आने वाले हैं, उसमें इंडियन एथॉस और इंडियन कल्चर बहुत बड़ा पार्ट प्ले करेगा। जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि हर तरफ आज सितार वादक को लाखों लोग देखने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। ऋषभ शर्मा जी हैं और ऐसे बहुत सारे क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियंस हैं जो सेंटर में आ रहे हैं। मेडिटेशन, योगा और हमारा जो कल्चर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस गेन कर रहा है। तो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि ऑरा ने ये शिव तांडव आप लोगों के लिए अपने स्टाइल में पेश करने की कोशिश की है और इस चीज़ की हमारे म्यूज़िकल लेगेसी को भी बड़ी खुशी है कि इन लोग हमारे इस कल्चर को, हमारे इस म्यूज़िक को अडाप्ट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज़ यही फ्यूचर है। और आज ह्यूमन वेलनेस जो होती है उसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हमारी इंडियन कल्चर का है, जो ह्यूमन लाइफ को चेंज करने के लिए हमारा जो इतनी बड़ी हमारी जो नॉलेज है आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन्स की, योगा की, हमारे कल्चर की, ये बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट करने वाले पूरे विश्व पे। एंड संगीत इज़ द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट। जैसे आप जानते हैं सारे ब्रह्मांड के अंदर जो एक्चुअल साउंड है वो साउंड है ओम का। ये ऑलरेडी सारे साइंटिस्ट और सारी दुनिया ने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है कि हमारे जो क्रिएशन है, पूरे ब्रह्मांड, हमारे पूरे यूनिवर्स का जो मेन साउंड है वो ओम है। सो टुडे इट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग फॉर मी एज एन इंडियन and also as a musician that international musicians like Aura are taking the step towards making Indian classical music a part of their musical journey. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.
Aura, Dabuji is here. Would you like to sing a line or say something?
Sir, this
Small sound. Sing.
Tetapi vikalat dalam probapa vitas terlekale belam bitam pujang gatong gamalika tamak nina tawata marbayam cakara caratan dabang tanutuna shiva shivam.
Har Har Mahadev. Well done. Yes.
But could you tell me the journey about Shiva Shivam? How does this journey started and what made you to sing this Shiva Shivam? And how it was difficult or easy to sing this song?
First, Sanskrit is very difficult, and I prepare time 1 year. So everyday meditation, also everyday learning. Now also today also learning, so many practice, but very happy.
Could you tell me about your entire today's song launch? You are looking very nice.
Thank you.
How did you plan?
I'm so very grateful, and then because they're coming also, I'm so very grateful. Thanks for God also. Also now just I want to this know. Now I'm learning India culture also, India music also. Now start. So until now today landed in India 3 years today. So after also look forward. Thank you so much.
Tell me about your video which you are launching today.
I'm so very excited and I'm so very happy because we are together.
Good luck to Oro. Good luck, everybody.
Thank you.
And wish him all the luck so that.
God bless you.
Thank you.
You.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay.
What? Talking. Guys, I'm pretty excited. It's Aura's Shiva Shiva song. I've already heard the song. I just got to know there's a big surprise in store for me, and to my BFF, and you know I'm fond of, I have all the NRI friends around, and Aura being here, I want all of you to support him, give him all your love, all the blessings to the Shiva Shiva song, and yeah.
Do you remember? First, you teaching me Om.
Yeah, we. So when we were in a show together, which you all know about, there used to be a lot of mess and chaos. As you know, that house is full of a lot of craziness. I'm saying everything in English so that he also understands. So please bear with me. So there used to be a lot of chaos. So one day morning, we are like, let's do the chanting, and we sat there in the garden, me with like all the hair and oil in my hair, and we did do it.
Right.
Oh.
Right. So, I mean, to give you a brief.
First of all, congratulations. I think Jai Mahakal, Jai Shivji, I listen to it daily, so this is something that I don't miss this. I have my fast version and the slow version. And Shiv Stotram obviously is a hymn which talks about surrender. So I think that's something which is the essence, where you let go of your ego, you let go of your false visions and look at total surrender to God. So I really follow it with passion, and I'm very happy that you sang this, and this is something I look forward to. So congratulations on this.
Thank you,
this
sir.
is really special, and when Parul mentioned about this one, I didn't want to miss this. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The best artist until I have met, because everyone just talks about mixing culture, but you have finally done it with, I guess, Kimchi Rosa and now Shiv Shiva.
Right.
So it's amazing, and I'm looking forward for the screening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let me speak. Okay. Done. Yes.
What would you like to say for Aura today?
Look center.
It's okay. Well, we all know what influenced K-pop on the world itself. So it's extremely nice to see a Korean artist cover and perform and remake
by sprinkling a hint of his style and remaking the very stotra, Shiv Stotra, which has a place in our hearts, special place in our hearts. So that's what this song feels.
Yeah. God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
And we really look forward to your other projects
Yeah.
in future. Yeah.
Of course. Shiva, Shivam.
Har Har Mahadev.
안녕하세요. 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 사랑해. 이제.
Yes, I'm coming.